Today I share with you all how I use oven to fry up this fish. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Here I have some egg fish. You can make use of any fish of your choice, alright? And I have scissors. I go ahead and use the scissors to remove the fin, and then I use my hand to remove the gut. The one that I've removed the fin and the gut, I just set it aside, and I'll continue to repeat the same process till I'm done. At this point, I've removed all the fin and the guts. I'll go ahead and add a good reasonable amount of salt to it, and I'll go ahead and give it a good wash. You can also add some white vinegar, but this particular fish, I normally use salt, alright? I just give it a good wash with the salt. I'm done with the cleaning, and I'll go ahead and season the fish. I added some paprika powder, some onion powder, garlic powder, and some salt to taste, and I'll go ahead and toss everything around. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice to the fish. I'll go ahead and set it aside and allow to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here I have the oven rack, which I line with some aluminium foil, and I'll go ahead and brush it with some oil. The oil is going to prevent the fish from sticking to the aluminium foil, and also it's going to give the fish that brown golden color when it is done. It's going to make the fish as if you fry it in the oil. When it is done, I place the fish on the rack and I transfer it into the oven and allow to fry until it's completely done. And here we are, it's looking so good, looking so beautiful. I just go ahead and remove it from the rack. Take a moment to appreciate the color of the fish. It looks so beautiful, guys, and it tastes absolutely delicious. Let me know in the comment section, what will you cook with this fish? And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!